Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to quickly face swap with Gemini Nano Banana Pro. All right, let's begin. First, prepare two images you have permission to use. Make sure both faces are clear, front-facing, and have similar lighting for better results. Next, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Google Gemini and open the official site. Sign into your account to access the workspace. Once inside, click the Create Image option to enter the image generation tool. Then click the plus icon to upload both images. Upload the source face image first, followed by the target image where the face will be placed. Now, enter a clear prompt like, insert the face from image 1 onto the person in image 2. Keep instructions simple and accurate. Click Submit and wait for the result. After processing, review the output for alignment, lighting, and realism. If needed, adjust your prompt and regenerate. Always use face swaps responsibly and with consent. So that's basically how you can quickly face swap with Gemini Nano Banana Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks.